Condominium na located along EDSA na 10,000 lang ang cash out at move in agad once ma-approve ka sa financing na mapipili mo. Ito nga pala ang Urban Deca Tower Cubao na located sa harapan lang ng Cubao Farmers Market. Walking distance lang din ito from MRT Cubao Station kaya naman super accessible talaga. Meron tayo ditong available na studio at 1 bedroom na pwede mong i-avail through Pag-ibig, bank or in-house financing. For as low as 10,000 cash out only, lipat agad once ma-approve ka sa financing na mapipili mo. And ang monthly amortization ay mag-i-start sa 12,000 up to 30 years maximum loan term. Upon turnover, painted na ang walls and drywall partition, may kasama na rin provision para sa exhaust fan, kitchen cabinet with granite countertop and sink, nakatiles na rin ang floor including toilet and bath. And pwede ka pang makahabol dahil meron kaming free aircon, free window blinds, and free grease trap. Madali lang ang proseso, kami na ang bahala sa iyo. All you need to do is to complete the requirements, sign the loan documents, and pay the reservation fee. In 1 to 2 months, pwede ka na makamove in sa unit mo. And after 30 days, dun pa lang mag-i-start ang first monthly amortization. Kaya kung interested ka, message mo lang ako for free site viewing. Open kami everyday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Soon, malay mo, ikaw naman ang magkaroon ng sarili mong kondo. Please like, share, and follow. Salamat!